Artlist versus Kling AI video generator. Choosing the right AI video generator can transform your content creation process without wasting time or resources. Both Artlist and Kling offer powerful tools, but which one fits your needs best? Artlist and Kling are AI-powered video generators designed to simplify video creation. The core difference lies in Artlist's focus on creative assets combined with AI, while Kling emphasizes hypernatural AI voices and advanced video synthesis. Artlist is a comprehensive platform that combines AI video generation with a vast library of royalty-free music, sound effects, and stock footage. It works by allowing users to input scripts or concepts, which the AI then transforms into polished videos using customizable templates and creative assets. Its strength lies in the seamless integration of audio and video, making it ideal for creators who want a complete multimedia solution. Artlist's AI enhances storytelling by automatically matching visuals with music and sound effects, saving time on manual editing. However, it may have limitations in highly specialized or niche video styles, as it primarily targets general content creators and marketers. The ideal user is someone looking for an all-in-one platform that combines AI video generation with rich audio resources to produce engaging content quickly and efficiently, as detailed on Artlist's official site. Kling AI focuses on hypernatural AI voice synthesis paired with advanced video generation technology. It works by converting text or simple inputs into lifelike video presentations featuring realistic voiceovers and expressive avatars. Kling's strength is in its ability to produce human-like speech and nuanced video content that feels authentic and engaging, making it perfect for training videos, presentations, and personalized content. Additionally, Kling supports multi-language voiceovers and offers extensive customization for voice tone and style. However, its primary limitation is less emphasis on broad creative asset libraries compared to Artlist, focusing more on voice and avatar realism. The ideal user is professionals and educators who need high-quality, natural voice narration combined with dynamic video generation as described on Kling's official platform. Artlist excels when you need a full creative suite with music, sound effects, and video templates all in one place, perfect for marketers and content creators aiming for polished multimedia projects. Kling shines in scenarios requiring realistic voiceovers and expressive avatars, ideal for educators or trainers who want to create engaging, personalized video content. The trade-off is between Artlist's broad creative asset integration and Kling's hypernatural voice technology. If your priority is seamless audio-visual harmony and easy access to creative resources, Artlist is the better fit. If lifelike narration and expressive video avatars are critical, Kling offers unmatched realism. Both tools streamline video production but cater to different content creation priorities. Choose Artlist if you want an all-in-one video and audio solution with rich creative assets that accelerate polished content creation effortlessly. Kling is the top choice for projects demanding hypernatural voiceovers and expressive avatars, delivering authentic, engaging videos. Select Kling when voice quality and realism are paramount to your content's impact and connection with the audience.